Hey, it's Paul Bonner. If you're planning to hit the road this summer, now's the time to make sure your Toyota is ready at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. We've got limited time July service specials to help you save while staying safe this season. Our summer travel special includes an oil change, a tire rotation, and even a complimentary multi-point inspection starting at just $89.95. Perfect before your next trip. Breathe easier this summer with our Breathe Better special. Take 10% off cabin and engine filter replacements to keep your cabin air clean and fresh. And if you're looking for peace of mind year-round, ask about our Toyota Service Care. It starts at just $270. It includes scheduled maintenance and roadside assistance. Give us a call at 610-690-6000 or simply schedule your service online today at conicelliservice.com. Conicelli Toyota, a nice place to do business.